Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Frances and I do videos on fashion, lifestyle, and parenthood. Today, I will be sharing with you a home decor haul, which it has been a minute since I've delivered one of these to you because we have fully furnished our house in the Bay Area. But now that we are in an apartment in Southern California, which if you want to catch our empty apartment tour, I'll link it down below. But now we have a new place to furnish, bring some things with us. But today I'm going to share with you the things that we are purchasing to make it more livable here in this apartment. Yeah, so let's get started because today I'll be sharing with you a home decor haul from HOMEGOODS, which has been a minute since I've been there, and as well an unboxing of our place stuff. So our place, you know, they're known for that always pan, which we do have one in black or charcoal, and that one came, or we also purchased the steamer that goes with it. But so our place had a sale, I think through Good Morning America, and I purchased a cutting board and 3 knives. The 3 knives that you really just only need in your household. I believe it's like a serrated knife, which is a bread knife, a chef's knife, and a paring knife. And also I had to get the cutting board because it was 50% off of its original price. So everything mentioned in this video today, I will be linking down below for you to simply grab if you are interested in any of these items. So it's been a minute with HOMEGOODS, so I'll go ahead and also put the style number down. And these are also more practical items that help someone get started in their new home, especially in a smaller space. So let's start with the unboxing from our place. This video is in no way sponsored by our place, but I would really hope that they would want us to sponsor us in one of our upcoming videos. But until then, we'll wait for you guys. Okay, so here is one of the knives. This one is the serrated knife. It's a 9-inch, and I guess I want to say it's in the color charcoal because it's abbreviated as char. But here's the packaging, and I love this because it's an easy rip opening. When you open up this knife here, that's how it looks, the packaging inside. And there's a little pamphlet here. The serrated slicing knife, so it shows you how to hold it, and the care and maintenance. Here is the knife. It looks like it came out, but here's a serrated knife. It's in a sleeve that it comes with. So the unfortunate thing about these knives, it doesn't come in a block, which can sit on top of your counter. So you gotta find a spot for these, but this is how it looks. So it's charcoal handle and has the little sleeve, the protective sleeve. And I believe this is just for packaging reasons. Okay. And then without it, so it is velvet. I don't know if you can catch that on camera, but it's velvet in here. So we just place it inside like so. So I kind of already unboxed the chef's knife, so I'll show you here while I was right about to cook and chop things. Here is the Our Place chef's knife in 8-inch. Ooh, so they come with a cover for the blade, and let's see how it looks. Ooh, nice. Alright, there you go. That, and we actually used it already, so here it is, close, very close up. Gotta be careful. And again, sleeve with this one. And so next is the paring knife. This is the 3rd one of the set. And I believe you can purchase these separately. You don't have to buy all 3. So I don't know why I called it the set. But here is the opening again of this. And this is what the paring knife looks like. So take this out, I can wash that. And there you have it with these 3 knives. And next is the huge wooden cutting board. So it came in this huge box, and packaging same. Just gotta tear it off, gotta find it. So it's here, the bottom side. The Did I do it? Oh, I missed it, of course. Of course. I always have the worst luck with opening things. But let's get this open. Okay. So it's open. It's pretty heavy to lift up, but there you go. It's like a pizza box. So it comes with the natural sponge to clean this with, and little notes on how to use and how to clean. Pop this bad boy out, and it is packaged here. It's a wooden block. This is beautiful wood. This is very pretty. So here it is. You can see the curves, the color. I believe there's a video on how this is. So there's like a little lip right here, so like things don't fall off the board, but also I believe like it's also to help like drain, maybe. I'm not sure, but yep, it's just this hard piece of wood and very beautiful. Super excited to use this. And yeah, so that is the Our Place unboxing and the items that we got from there. Right. Next, I will be sharing with you the items I got from HOMEGOODS. So there's more practical items for our apartment, but also things that are very cute, and the aesthetic I wanted to kind of make it more pop of color in our apartment, because if you've seen our empty apartment tour, it's very white in here and it's granite countertops. The appliances are white. They're not stainless steel, unfortunately, but then the granite countertops have like a speckle of black and neutral colors in it, so I wanted to make it more pop with black accessories in our apartment. So first, this paper towel holder. It comes in black. Yeah, I mean, I feel like this is a necessity in your kitchen, so I got one of these for us. And then this toilet paper holder. Yeah, I mean, what else? What more is there? It's wired, and I love that. It matches the kitchen paper towel holder, but I might put that paper towel holder in the bathroom also to match. A few accessories that I got for our sink. We have a left and a right side on the sink. So I was kind of thinking like, how am I going to utilize this? We have a two-sided sink as well back at our house, but then we do separate my daughter's dishes from our dishes, and we use a different soap. So I figured this is a perfect saddle sink caddy. It's silicone and it's black, and it goes over the sink, so we could put our sponge and her sponge on either side, and it has a little drainage on the bottom, so that I thought that was really cute. And then this little silicone tray to match, and I figured, oh, just put this with a little soap dish or a little sponge or the hand soap or dishwashing soap on it. And I also saw in the picture there was like a little scrubbing brush, and I was like, oh, okay, I might as well get the same one too. So I got that, and you just place it here. It'd be super cute aesthetic for the sink. And then I got a package of black and white sponges. So I like to have different color sponges, one for our dishes and our daughter's, so that's why I went with this. And then also for the kitchen, I got something from Amazon. This is actually not from HOMEGOODS, because I was specifically looking for an aesthetic of amber aesthetic hand soap dispensers, and this was the foaming dispenser. I prefer foaming for some reason. I just like the feeling of it, and it's just easier to get off on my daughter's hands too when we wash our hands. But I got a package of 2, and I will link these down below as well, but these are for foaming soap dispensers, which I love. So I would just like put this here on the countertop next to the sink. So I also got a 4-pack of this foaming soap. This one comes in fresh basil. There is also like a lemon and a eucalyptus mint, but I put it in both of our bathrooms. And then so I wanted to put this one in here and just have the aesthetic of the amber look. So that's why I got those. And then this one smells amazing. This is the fresh basil. So this also comes in a 4-pack, but I don't know the style number for this at HOMEGOODS, but you know, they always have these random soap anyway. So yeah, I figured go ahead and take a look at those if you're interested. Next, we love eggs here, so I had to get a stackable egg organizer. I wanted to try this one out. It actually you can just put all the eggs in here, and it's silicone inside, so it doesn't really like move all the eggs and stuff. So I just got one of them for now, because we actually do go to Costco and get like the big, I don't even know how many dozen eggs. Is it 3 dozen eggs in that container? So we get that because we cook about 6 eggs a day for the 3 of us. My daughter loves scrambled eggs for breakfast in the morning, and yeah, so I figured to try one out, and then if I like how it is, I'll just get another one to stack on top, and then they could just roll out, because it's really frustrating. It's much more for convenience, especially if you have a little one. It's just, you want things to go quicker. So having things like stacked and having to lift things out of the way to get to them in the fridge, it's very frustrating. But anyway, I guess that's just like a mom thing or a parent thing, a parent hack, that you just want things more accessible. And then so for the bathroom, I got this huge OXO over the shower organizer. So this one was on the clearance section. It was originally $40, but I got it for $22, and we'll put this in our master bedroom, or primary suite is what they call it now. But yeah, it's just a shower caddy that I feel like can hang over and put all of our necessities here. I'm thinking of getting one for the second bathroom, because we do have 2 bathrooms here, and yeah, and we love OXO. They actually sponsored us and sent us a few items for our daughter. I don't know if you caught that video, but I can link it down below if you want to check that out as well. So that is it for my home goods and our place haul. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen here today. I was so excited to share everything with you, because it's been a minute with my home decor, and I'm getting much more excited to furnish this home, our new home in our new city and our new county. I hope to see you in the next one, and take care until then. Okay, thank you. Bye.